So
Okay, so dear, this is first meeting, so I would like to introduce yourself.
okay, so my name is Rimpi Chakravarti. I live in West Bengal, and also I have joined the clapingo as you known and as you know that. And also why I'm learning this language, I'm also really eager to learn this language. And as well as I have a son, and my son is studying class 4, and I send him to English medium school. So as a mother, it's my responsibility to teach him. And other other part also, that I'm also looking for a job. So nowadays English is a very important, so that's the main reason I am learning this language.
Okay, that is great actually, and your speaking is very well actually, really. Yes, great. Yes,
No, no. And I know everything about you, and you have a more subscribers, and you are very famous on YouTube, and also you are giving the chance to every learner to communicate with you. So
yes,
through that through this process, you are also improving your communication skill, as well as those learner who want to learn this language, they can also get the chance to enhance their fluency level. So I
yes.
think what you are doing, that's really commendable for me.
Okay, so thank you appreciating me. Thank you so much. And yes, actually, my goal also, everyone means if any person they want to learn English, they have some people they need to learn English. So they also watch my video and which kind of I'm doing practice. There I'm not means I'm connecting with different people. So there I'm not hesitation feel. I'm speaking confidently. I'm making mistake while speaking always, but yes, it's okay. Doesn't matter. I'm thinking only this is language. We are do not do practice to how can I speak, how can we speak. So that's what I'm doing. And talk about model and grammar rules. So each and everything I know. And I'm speaking so many people. There's also same complaint me. Ki I know very well grammar, but while speaking I forgot. So then I noticed no speaking skill is speaking skill we are do not to speak so we are do not do able to use that word so
Yes.
that's why I'm doing this thing. Yes, yeah,
Actually, what you are saying is absolutely correct, and it's our actually mindset. Some people, especially in India, like that. No, when you are speaking English, and is suppose you are making a mistake, so some people they are ready, like no, that how to how to farm. They know, like they
yes,
always try to, if you make any kind of mistake, then try to fun with you. They what she is saying is totally wrong. So it's our some people's mindset, but that all the people are, some people are not like that. Some people that okay, if he or she is make mistake while speaking, okay, but now she is making a mistake, but after 1 and 2 years, he or she can able to speak. So like that, if we think about that, if I make a if I speak English, and if I make any kind of mistake while speaking, people will laugh with me. So why I will think about this? When I will face any kind of problem, those people will feed me, nobody will come to us, and nobody will help me. No, so
yes,
this is, yeah. So like that, why will think about those kind of people? So this is their mentality.
yes, yes,
And
people. Yeah, yeah, go
and
ahead.
also it's like that, no, when any foreigner, they speak Hindi. So when they make a when they make mistakes, so we always appreciate them. They know
Yes,
actually, yeah, wow, how you speak Hindi, it's really very sweet, it's very lovely. But in India, when we any Indian, they speak English and they make mistake while speaking, oh, I see that she is speaking English and she is making mistake. So it's our some people's mentality.
yes, 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 yes. And people, those work also criticize another person. But it's
Yeah.
okay. I do not think because you know what do you want. I know what do you want. What I will do in future time. We know very well. So it's okay. Always we are think about the other person. So we are unable to learn anything. Correct? Yes,
Yes.
and they don't know which kind of we are doing practice. They don't know, correct? and you don't know, I don't know which kind of we are doing practice. We are handling home chores, and then after that we will get time. At that time we are doing
Yes,
practice, correct? So this is not a cup of tea actually, but we are
yeah,
doing. Yeah, but
exactly.
those are people criticism. They people don't know which kind of we are doing practice because they don't like, that's why. But it's okay. I do not consider those people. Correct. Yes.
Yes,
Yes, and you tell you to mention foreigner people, and so that thing is absolutely correct. Actually, really,
yes,
yes,
yes. Actually, I noticed that, like, in when I have started my journey, that time also some people, what she is all the time, she is like speak English, speak English. Hey, it's, I am learning this language. That's why I am speaking English. What is your problem? I don't think.
yes, 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 yes. You are thought, and you are a really great lady. Really, smiley and well, really, I find out now. Yes, thank you. You connect me, and I'm first person I'm talking to you, so I'm
Yeah,
great.
person who no, I message you so many so many YouTuber, but also they also told me that they also mentioned their Gmail account that, but I don't know how to send that email. But you were the first person whose email I got, and after that I send that I return, and you reply me. So now,
Yes, yes. If
yeah,
you don't know another person how to send email, so email ID in there available, correct, in
yes.
YouTube
Now
channel.
I got
So
it. Now
yeah,
I got it.
yeah, you can start now. Okay, then you try to connect different people, and definitely I know you are means you have a courage and you have a confidence. So definitely you speak with anyone confidently. Yes,
Yeah.
I know. Yeah. Yes.
Yes, and
Yes.
you are the you are the example for it. Those people who want to learn English, so they can learn from you. That which I told you earlier also. Compared to before your video, those people who follow you, like they can notice also, and they also drop some comment on your comment box that no, ma'am, Anisha, ma'am, you speak so well. You speak so well. So no, that I also know if Anisha, ma'am can, then why not me?
Yes, definitely you can also, and you will also do easily. Absolutely, yeah, definitely. So you can start your journey. Yes, don't skip. Okay, don't pause. You can start your journey. Then,
No,
and
no,
guys, and now I realize also I'm enjoying this process. What I'm doing, I'm enjoying. And now, miss busy schedule. I do not think any others. I do not means in negative things because I want to speak. I want to learn. I want to connect different people. So all think I'm doing miss. Oh no! Now in the morning I get up early. Sometimes I feel tired. No, I want to sleep, but then after, no, no, I have session, no, no, I want to get up, I need to get up. Then I get up immediately and I do my home chores immediately because I have 12 o'clock 10 o'clock session. So that's why. So and I enjoy also, and very, and I listen another people those thought, I'm connect that person, so feel very happy. Really. And sometimes you got there is information also sometimes,
yes.
yeah. So there
And
also
we
you get motivated.
different people with if we communicate with multiple people, then also we can learn something. We can learn some new vocabulary, new words, and then some new phrases. Also, we can enhance our fluency level. So that's
Yes,
the is the best part to
yes. And
communicate with the multiple people.
yes, and you listen another that person, different people. What is that person thought? What is that person going on in mind? And your mind, then you then okay that you then after that you think, oh no, no, I want to do this thing. Some ideas also came in our mind. So this is thing also great actually.
Yes,
Yes, yeah.
that
So
is.
yes. Mhm. So definitely you can also. So what is your how is your clappingo journey?
Yeah, my clapping journey is going good. And then also you can see the teacher, also the tutor also are really appreciate me that the way you speak. And because in my first in my first sessions I got the compliment from Hardeep sir. And also Hardeep sir got me the compliment. Well, some another people, another person, they like no, they have that little, they have the little bit hesitation while speaking in their first sessions, and compared to those people, you were speaking very confidently. So that is the great, like no, that is the good feedback from me. And the in my second session also, all the tutors support me, and clapping us, all the tutor, they are very
Yes.
good. They always try
Good.
to correct someone. And if
Yes.
while if I make any kind of mistakes, or not only me, the you can see that those learner who
Yes.
make mistakes, they
Yeah.
always try to no, you are saying this way, so instead of saying this way, you should speak like that way. So they
Yes.
always share this way. They never like no encourage someone, encourage the learner.
Yes, yes. They rectified you actually. Yes, I know. And when I started my English journey, so before I follow actually clapping application. Okay, dear. Now I think I noticed there is a electricity gone because you are
Yeah.
sweating.
No.
So why you sweat? There in your face there is sweat. Something. Ah.
It's too much
Okay.
hot.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Okay. So you have any question? You can ask
No,
me.
no. I
No.
don't.
Okay, so this video you want to upload in your channel?
Yes, ma'am, definitely.
Okay, so you can upload. Okay,
Yeah.
because nowadays people are doing only one video, means you upload. I am not uploading this type of, but I am doing this thing. Both are.
No, I upload. Will you upload it, or you also upload? Will you
I will
upload?
also upload,
Yeah, I will definitely. I will upload it.
but I also or after
Yeah,
I
you
also.
can upload it. Yeah, you can upload it. I don't have any objection. And also, I will upload it.
Okay, okay. Then I will write down there, jot down your there is your email ID, your channel name. Then people will be follow you. Then
Yeah.
okay. So
Oh my
I
God! Thank you so much, ma'am. You are really generous person, ma'am.
thank you so much. But no, I like that. I like do that thing. That's why I'm doing. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay then. Anytime if you want to talk to me, discuss any topic, so you email me, you text me. I will try to connect with you. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
but you now you start your journey. You don't skip. You try to connect different people because you are also chatterbox look like me. So definitely you learn easily and early. Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Thank you
Yeah.
so much. You giving me opportunity. Thank you so much.
No, ma'am, thank you so much for giving me this
Uh,
opportunity. You are a very busy person, and just you took out the time only for me. Thank you so much for it, ma'am.
my God, don't do this. Okay then.
I
Okay.
know everything
Bye.
about you, ma'am. Yeah, seriously, ma'am. And
Okay.
after handling those work, and you are started your YouTube journey, and you are also focusing on them. So really, you are a very great lady, ma'am.
So that's why I want to everyone who want to learn that those people also start. Those people also follow me. I want. Yes. Then
Yeah.
I'm happy with it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay then. Thank you. Bye. Have
Bye.
a nice day.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.